3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up.
Are you tired of bad credit? Tired of being denied for a new home, new car, loans, and credit cards? Bankruptcy won't fix your credit. We can fix your credit right here at Level Up Credit Restoration. Our services will help you. We provide top quality service such as collections, charge-offs, bankruptcy, judgments, liens, inquiries, foreclosure, and repossessions. Also, Level Up Credit Restorations offer will and trust as well as lock life protection plan. If you think credit repair is expensive, try buying something with bad credit. Make this the last year you struggle. If you're ready to level up your credit, then you need to call Yolanda Laban at 901-502-4411. Level Up Credit Restoration, helping good people with bad credit.